Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I recently returned from a vacation in Italy, so I did a little bit of shopping while I was there. So today I wanted to show a couple of the things that I picked up while I was there. I was in the north of Italy for my trip, so most of these items were purchased in Milan, but also a couple in Venice as well. So maybe to start off, I will start with the Saint Laurent bag since I only have one item from there. Okay, so it came in this small box. It came with a little dust bag. And I picked up this belt. This is just their, I'm not actually even sure what this is called, but it's the slimmest size of this belt. It comes in thicker versions, and it also comes in a lot of different colors of leather as well as hardware. There's black with a silver hardware. There's also like tan with gold. There's also a whitish color with gold. So lots and lots of different colors, but I went with the black just because it is the most classic. So I'll put it closer. So there is that small YSL logo. So when you actually do it, I can show you what it would look like. Yeah, so it would just look like this. So I like that it's like the part that kind of holds the loop. So I like that it's pretty small and subtle. So I thought this was cute, and I have been wearing a lot more trousers recently when I go to work. So adding some belts to my collection was definitely a goal of this trip. So that was the first item that I picked up. Okay, so as you can see, I have two bags from Louis Vuitton, so I can start with this bag. So we have a few items in here. So maybe first we can start with this box. Okay, so this is one of their little drawer boxes. So when you open it, you can probably already tell what genre of item this is. So I picked up the mini pochette accessoire. It's just so cute, and I actually already used it once while I was in Italy. You can actually fit a surprising amount in here. So, I mean, you can also use it as an SLG to place inside of a tote bag or a larger bag. But I think for me, I may just end up using this as like a tiny little clutch, especially in the summer. It's just nice to have something really tiny where you can just put your essentials and have it, you know, easy and on the go. So yeah, you can see it's not huge. It definitely does not fit an iPhone, but I was able to fit my card holder, keys, maybe like a slim pack of tissues and wet wipes. So definitely just kind of like the bare essentials and minimum. And yeah, I just think with this little chain, it's just so cute and so dainty. On this little vachette leather piece, it says Louis Vuitton made in Paris. I'm not sure if you can see that. But yeah, very happy with this cutie. I feel like I always just end up picking up a random Louis Vuitton canvas piece just because they're just so easy, and they kind of like are neutral colors, so they go with everything, and they're very, very durable. So yeah, whenever I see something that I don't have, I'm pretty open to adding it to my collection. So yeah, this was the second thing that I picked up on my trip. going back here, the third thing that I picked up came in this box. Okay, so it came wrapped up. So I picked up this cashmere scarf. This is the Reykjavik scarf, and this is the ombre version. So you can see as I'm opening it, it kind of goes from this darker, cool toned brown to this lighter tan. And then it's also reversible. So on the back side, it is this cream color, and the pattern goes from the dark color to the light color. So this is, you know, not really seasonally appropriate since it's about to be very warm, but I don't have any scarves from Louis Vuitton, and I was definitely interested in getting one because they have just so many colors and designs. And yeah, let me see if this has, let's see, I think this is, yeah, this is 100% cashmere, so it feels really, really soft. And let me just move this box for a sec. Whoops. Yeah, it feels really soft and thick, so this will be very, very warm in the winter. And yeah, I also really like how you can kind of, you know, you can just have the light side showing depending on what you're wearing, or you could, you know, put it around the other way and have more of the actual like tan colors showing. So yeah, I think it's really cool that it's reversible and should be pretty, you know, pretty easy to match since it's a neutral color. So yeah, very excited to add this Reykjavik scarf. They also have ones that aren't ombre, and I think they have like gray and other colors, but this was the one that I ended up choosing. Okay, so the last thing that I have in this bag comes in another little sliding drawer box. And it has a little dust bag. To reveal another belt. So the thing that I really like about this belt is that it is actually reversible, which I think is so cool. So you can just take this little, so I guess I'll first show it this way. So if you were to wear it with the reverse monogram coloring on the outside, this is what it would look like. And the way it works is there's like just like a little nub on the back of the buckle, and you just kind of like stick it into whichever hole you want it to go in. So this is what it looks like with the reverse monogram on the outside. But the thing that I really like about this belt is that you can also switch it around so that it's this tan color. And I think I will mostly be using it on the tan color. I think it's a little bit more versatile and a little bit less of a statement. I think the reverse monogram could look good, maybe with like just like either like a plain white kind of like dress, or maybe if I wear like a white t-shirt or like a white shirt, like something really simple with jeans. I think that could work, but at the same time I would still be open to just wearing like the tan with that kind of outfit. So I guess it kind of depends on like the vibe I'm going for, but yeah, if you want to switch it to the tan side, you just kind of reverse the buckle, and then yeah, it's like super easy. So yeah, I'll probably be using this side way more frequently. So this side is tan leather, and of course the other side is just canvas. So yeah, I kind of really like that. This is like a 2-in-1 belt. Since I got the black belt from Saint Laurent, I figured that getting something brown and tan would be kind of like a good counterbalance to that. Okay, so that was everything in this bag. And then the final item that I purchased came in this super fun green bag with all these polka dots, and that is because the item that I picked up was from the recent collection by the Japanese artist Yayoi Kusama. So Louis Vuitton did a collaboration with her, and there were like handbags, homeware, like of course ready to wear, and they all had kind of like her, I guess, polka dot design element on it. She is the artist who is very famous for the infinity mirrored room. So there's one at the Broad Museum in LA, which is like always on show, where it's just like the infinity room with all the tiny little lights. But she also has infinity rooms with like polka dots, as well as like more like pumpkins, and she also has a lot of artwork that are like pumpkin sculptures of different colors with polka dots. So I can definitely see like how this is reflective of her artwork. But yeah, the green bag is definitely very different from the orange. So I was a bit shocked when they brought out this bag. And yeah, they even put like some like tissue paper that was, I guess, also from her collection. And then the box, oh, geez. Whoops, it's a little heavy. The box on the inside is still orange, but they have this like very fun ribbon, which I'll bring a little closer so you can see. And there's the pumpkin, and it says Louis Vuitton X Yayoi Kusama 2023, just to, I guess, commemorate that this is her collection. Okay, so let me just slide this off. Okay. So in here we have a dust bag, and I would say, yeah, so this is like, I guess, a little bit of a special dust bag since it has like the red ribbon, and then also on the dust bag itself, it has the pumpkin once again with Yayoi Kusama on it. So if we open this up, this will reveal the box Scott. So this is an acrylic box, it's clear, and it has like a little bit of the leather trim so that it's like reminiscent of Louis Vuitton trunks. And you know, it has the same kind of like opening as a lot of like their bags, where you squeeze these two buttons, and then this little piece comes off, and then you can open the box. So yeah, this is a very fun piece. Once again, at the bottom, it has that little pumpkin design. And I had been wanting one of these box Scotts for a while. So the regular ones look exactly like this, but without the colorful polka dots. So it would just have like the white monogram design with like the flower and the LVs. So that was the one that I originally thought that I was going to get, but they actually didn't have that in stock in any of the stores that I went to, and they had like a lot of fun ones from their summer collections for the summer months, but the other ones that I saw were a little bit more girly, I would say, and one of them had like no polka dots, but all of these like monograms that are white on this one, they were like different shades of pink. And then another one was also like no polka dots, but the white design here, it was in yellow and ombre to pink. So it was like yellow, orange, pink, something like that. So yeah, it was like a little bit too pink, I think, for my living room, which is where I want to put this. So yeah, I ended up deciding to go for the Yayoi Kusama limited edition version, which I think is fun and exciting. And it's definitely different. You know, this I think once they sell out of this collection, they probably won't make more. So it's nice to have this like limited edition piece. So I plan to use this as home decor. I'm going to like put some glass candies inside and just put it in my living room. I have heard of people using this as a handbag. I won't be doing that. I think you could probably like attach some sort of strap or like a scarf, like something like that, like somewhere up here on these leather pieces, and then just like carry it around. I guess it would be kind of cute if you put like a short strap and use it as a clutch, but it is like not the lightest, I would say. It's not super heavy, but I think yeah, it's like a little bit cumbersome, I would say, just because it's just like legitimately just a box. So so yeah, I'll just be using it as home decor, but yeah, it definitely will liven up the space, and you know, it's definitely a very cheerful looking piece. So yeah, I'm super excited to add this to my collection, and yeah, hopefully continue getting different Louis Vuitton homeware pieces. I really enjoy all of like their trunks and just decor pieces in general. So yeah, I'm very happy to have been able to add this. I guess I should show close up a little bit. So yeah, it has like the usual Louis Vuitton Paris, and it says LV there, and then all these little grommets also say LV. So yeah, I know they also have a version of this box which is a cube, so it's square, like it's just a cube. But yeah, I like the circular shape. I think it's like fun and different and a little bit softer. All right, so that is all that I picked up on this recent trip to Italy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's a beautiful day outside here, so I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you are. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.